Hi, I'm Beth, and I'm back with another episode of How I'm Doing It. Today, I want to show you a produce box that we got. This one is local to the Knoxville, Tennessee area, but there are organizations that do boxes like this all around the country. I encourage you to Google something that might be in your area. I actually found out about this one as a recommendation from another consumer of this company who had a good experience and posted it on Facebook. So then I looked into it. With our size of our family being relatively large, I ordered the extra large box. The price for me was incredible, in a good way, incredible in a low price way. So with tax, this ended up being charged $39.39, I believe it was, to my credit card. So it was less than $40. The produce is fresh. It comes from either our state or local bordering states, so it's relatively local, and it's what's in season. So the buyers for this company look around and see what's available from their suppliers, and then whatever is available in a good price and a good quantity, they will put those things into the box. So you pay ahead of time, at least I paid ahead of time, made my order, and then you don't know what's coming. It makes it kind of fun because it's kind of like Christmas, like what's gonna be in the box? I don't know, but I do know that it's gonna be good, healthy food. So my kids have already gotten into it. I just got home from work. So my kids have already eaten a few of the peaches, they tell me, and they really enjoyed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's left, but there is a very good amount of food in here. I'm really excited to start making use of it, and it looks like a lot of good things that my family will use. So I'm gonna show it to you, and like I said, do a Google search or ask around with people you know in your area, maybe on social media, and ask what kind of farm co-op groups or direct to consumer groups are available. You cannot beat the fact, for convenience, this was delivered straight to my door. I love that. I don't want to go out any more than I have to with the social distancing we're doing nowadays for the pandemic. But plus, I'm just busy. I'm just flat busy. I'm a full-time working mom. I don't have time to go hanging out in the stores any longer than I need to. So this was a blessing to come to my door. Let me show you what I got. Okay, so this is what came to our door. It was all nice and closed. No fancy labeling or anything, but it was delivered by a professional delivery person. My oldest son took care of receiving that. He said it was just placed gently at our doorstep. So this is a couple of really tremendously large tomatoes. These are huge. Like, look at the size in my hand. That takes up the size of my whole hand for that one right there. I love tomatoes. Love, love, love tomatoes. These will be gone in very short order. We got several ears of corn, several fresh ears of corn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ears of corn. Looks like we've got some zucchini, good size. 1, let's see, 2 zucchinis. And then we've got some cucumbers. These are, let's see, 1, 2, and 3 cucumbers will be nice for salads. Look at these carrots. Oh my goodness, these are huge. Like, literally, these are basically the size of my forearm. It's kind of hard to hold it and hold the camera at the same time, but almost basically the size of my forearm. And they're just utterly tremendous. These are gonna be amazing. They look so fresh and orange and good. So 1, 2, I mean, look at how big that is. That is tremendous. 1, 2, and 3. 3 carrots. And then we've got some onions here. Here's 1. Here's 2. And then we have lemons. So we've got 1, 2 beautiful fresh lemons. And they smell nice and they look nice. And so those will be very good for us. We've got oranges. This looks like, what's it called? Cara orange. That looks fresh and nice. Here's another one, 2 oranges. We've got a pint of cherry tomatoes, the authentic grape tomatoes, and it says I don't know if you can see there, Plant City, Florida. So that is good. Like I said, I love tomatoes in every form. This is a beautiful head of broccoli. That'll be nice. I can use that several different ways. We got kale. Look at that. We got some kale. Love kale. You can do so many things with that. One of my sons really is into making smoothies and juices. You can also either serve this fresh, but something else you can do is cut it up, chop it up, and then drizzle it with a little olive oil and sprinkle it heavily with salt. Toast this on a baking sheet, like just bake it for a short time in the oven. Oh my goodness, kale chips. They are so yummy, so tasty. If you want a savory snack, like a salty kind of snack without all the guilt, have some kale chips instead of potato chips and you'll be really happy with that. We got 1, 2 squash, 3 squash, 4 squash. And then, let's see, a bunch of little potatoes. Oh, and there's one peach that my kids have not found yet. So there's a peach. I think there was probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 peaches. Knowing my kids, how many kids I have, probably 3 or 4. So 4 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7, 8 potatoes, 9, 10 potatoes, 11, 12. So we got a dozen potatoes. So this is what all we got, and including the extra peaches. Like I said, there was extra peaches. So if we spread this out to really see everything spread out, there is quite a bit here. Let's see. Yeah, this will be very nice for our family. Look at that. Delivered straight to my door. The delivery was free. I don't remember if there's a certain dollar amount that you have to spend to get free delivery or not, but for me, delivery was free. So I got pounds and pounds of fresh, beautiful produce. I don't even know how many pounds this is. If I had to guess, maybe like 20 something perhaps. I'm just guessing, but I'm thrilled with it. So that was really nice, and it'll be fun to come up with different ways to use this. So it like brings out my creativity a little bit. So there you go. The kids are excited too. It was kind of fun to get a nice surprise package. So I will put the link for Knox Produce Box in the description below for those of you in this area. Anyone outside this area, like I said, I do encourage you to look and see what might be in your own area for fruit and vegetable co-ops or direct-to-consumer groups and that kind of thing. All right, thank you for joining in. Thank you for watching, and that's how I'm doing it.